Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be adding a footer to our template. Okay, so I just want to bring your attention to one thing before we do that. If you probably have been paying attention, in the first video, I did put something called a div with a class of page, and we hadn't used that. We hadn't been using that all these while in the remaining videos, and yes, I should have done that, but it didn't make a difference because div tags are block level elements anyway. So since we haven't applied any styling to page, the body and the page will behave pretty much the same. But just as a rule of thumb, if you're not applying any styling to the page, you might as well just remove it. Yeah, so that's why I didn't put it there. So as I was progressing, I just saw that page is really not needed. But if you want to do some special stuff to the container of everything and you don't want to do it to the body, just include page and just cut everything inside the body and put it inside the page. Okay, but we're not going to be doing that. Just remove it because page is really useless here. Okay, all right, so let's scroll down to the bottom of our page. It's a bit funny how I just said page, remove it, and I just said page again. Okay, so we're going to add a footer here right after the main content. So we're going to say footer, and we're going to give it a class of main footer. And inside there, we're going to have another div where we'll have a class of information line. It's just any line of text that we need in the footer has to go inside our information line. We have a span which has the copy sign, copyright sign basically, 2014. I'll just say plugin, and the reason we're putting it inside a span is so that we can easily target those texts. We'll have another span or rights reserved in there. Okay, let's put this capital. So that's it. So now we've given classes to the main footer and information line, let's go in our CSS and style those. Scroll down to the bottom. Let's create another section, footer. Actually, these sections, I want to make a point out of them. I'm just doing this because I'm doing them all in one file because it's a small project and it's just tutorial. But normally in a big project, you want to separate them out into different files and maybe modularize them into more sensible stuff. Okay. So yeah, that's it. And main footer, what we want to start, we want to say text align center, and information line, we want to give that margin left of, let's say 5 pixel. Well, not the information line, the span in the information line, sorry about that guys. And we also want to give it a margin right of 5 pixels. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at what we have. And as you can see, we have a blog here which has two stuff, which is the first one in the span, 2014 copyright plugin, and the second one is all rights reserved. So let's give that a bit of space by giving it a margin bottom of let's say 32 pixels. Okay, so I'll refresh that. As you can see, the footer has a margin bottom of 32 pixels. And let's just check that it's also responsive, and as we become smaller, the footer as well will be nicer. It will stay where it is. So that's it guys for this tutorial video, and I'll see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.